We were not aware. We found out through social media. Our ministers didn't know about it right in towards the midnight of Friday, early morning Saturday. So we didn't find out the way we had expected it to. But to really, people, I think a lot of question that we are making too much noise about this. And when this early this year, when we had the coalition proposals from Fiji First and People's Alliance, one thing that attracted most of the people in SODELPA is the relationship that we had with people who are already in PAP. And one of the most, convincing part is that because of that relationship, there will be consultation. And there will be no consultation if people had picked Fiji First because of their bulldozing tactics. And that is why I'm bringing this up, because that is one of the main factors that most of the management board selected PAP, is that the Fijian way of virongorongori, vendokai, and to talk about it. We talanotakina to talk, like what we are doing now with Vubale program and all these things with overseas people. That's what the belief was at the time. I'm quite sure if it was, if we knew that this was going to happen, it might be a different story. But that is the consultation in regards to this reshuffle didn't happen. We received it after hours. I don't know if that was meant to be, because in other countries they normally have a reshuffle announced like 10 o'clock in the morning, so that people, we don't create fear with our investors and with the people of Fiji, so that there's no speculations that occur. But in the sense of the coalition, SODELPA will maintain and have vowed, to maintain the coalition as far as possible. We are not, we've been fighting with Fiji First for 17 years, 19 years. We cannot just, we're not that type that will just throw the small little things, but it's not small, but the consultation is very important in this.